Hello friends. I am happy to welcome you again on my BS Digital channel. It is sad to say that people are becoming less tolerant and more selfish. They are professional workers but are more confused as a person. I have realized, most people fall in one of two categories. 1. We know what to do, but we are not able to do it. We need a mentor to help us succeed. Or 2. We know what we want, but we don't know what to do. We are stuck and need a coach to guide us. In this video, we will see how by bringing small changes, not only mental weaknesses are removed, your mindset resets the mental, psychological and physical well-being. Problems like inability to sleep, getting angry soon, unable to concentrate, procrastination, unhappiness etc. is eliminated. You will also learn how to motivate and inspire yourself to greater heights step by step. Let's start. And get set to transform your mind and accomplish any goal, and enjoy a fulfilling life. The experience tells us that life has its own ways of rewarding us. By calling it luck when rewarded or harsh when punished, we accuse the Mother Nature of being unfair. We act irresponsibly, suffer trouble but pass on the blame. No matter who suffers, there is a way out to overcome the negatives and live a fulfilling life. A little effort is needed to start enjoying life now. Tell me, did you wake up feeling fresh this morning? Not me. I feel sad because people live with different problems: tense mind, money shortage, poorly paid job, disturbed family, no time to relax, or do things they love. If you feel likewise, just keep in mind that everyone experiences this. And that includes me. Even though I started a business, I experienced problems, and continue to experience it sometimes. When I started my business I had a pretty good corporate job, enjoying a good living. But my life was still not balanced. I was working at my job and on business at the same time. I was unsatisfied. I wanted more, and because of that, I was working too much, putting a lot of pressure on myself. I was failing to handle it. It went to the point where my life, marriage, business started to suffer. It was very hard for me and my wife. I had to make a tough decision. In order to balance my life, either I quit my job and do business or give up business and keep my job. So, after much thinking, I decided to pursue my passion and quit my job. I thought that quitting my job would fix the problem of imbalance in life, but I was wrong. When I quit my job, I gave 100% to business. Working 20 hours per day, the business became successful, but as a result of long hours of work my life started to crumble. My marriage was collapsing. My health deteriorated. I was scared of losing wife, family and happiness if I didn't find a solution to my problem. So I started to finding a solution. I had found a solution to the problem that almost destroyed my life. But I knew that wasn't enough. I knew many people had the same problem. If they don't fix it, they're going to face problems in their marriage and life in general. I thought to myself, I have a solution to a thing many people struggle with. If I don't share it with them, they will suffer as I did. So I decided to share my idea with everyone. And that's how the writing down the life rebuilding idea was born. Then the idea was simplified, easy, even a 10-year-old can understand. It took the shape of a book where I packed my experience how to convert unhappy into a happy and balanced life. And if you think your story aligns with my past story, if you're struggling to balance your life, if you feel like your life is about to explode, then take the simplest action immediately. Click the link given in the description and soon you will start to enjoy life fully guided by your mind, positive thinking, happy family, and strong relationships. Cheers. P.S. If you want inspiring ideas for living a positive life, remember to like and subscribe.